A day at school. It is a sunny morning. Lily wakes up and gets ready for school. She brushes her teeth, eats breakfast, and puts on her blue backpack. Today is a special day because it is the first day of school. Lily walks to school with her friend Ben. They talk and laugh on the way. When they arrive, they see many students. Some are new, and some are old friends. Lily feels excited and a little nervous. In the classroom, the teacher, Mr. Smith, smiles at the students. "Welcome to school," he says. "My name is Mr. Smith, and I will be your teacher this year." The students wave and say hello. Mr. Smith shows them the classroom. There are colorful posters on the walls, a big clock, and a library corner with many books. Lily loves books. Mr. Smith says they will read stories and learn new things together. After that, they play games outside. Lily and Ben play tag with their friends. Everyone laughs and runs around. It is fun to be together. At lunch, Lily eats a sandwich and an apple. She shares her apple with Ben. They talk about their favorite games and what they want to learn this year. Finally, the school day ends. Lily feels happy. She has made new friends and learned a lot. She walks home with Ben, excited to tell her family about her first day at school. It was a great day.